Yeah, good. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Yeah, welcome. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It all depends on when you are watching this video or when you came across this video. All right. This is a Brainybite tutorial. What we do in this channel is I will teach you guys the steps, the easiest way to pass Jamb and to gain admission. Alright, we also help you, assist you gain admission, also assist you pass your jam freely. Okay, so today I will not be wasting much of our time. I'll be looking at the topic of today, which is how to do jam change of institution. Okay, today we'll be talking about how to do jam change of institution. I know so many persons so many persons that wrote jam that registered for jam this year uh, might not have heard about change of institution. I know most of you have not heard about change of institution. While most have also heard that after jam registration and after jam examination, you can do change of institution or change of course. It is called data correction, jam data correction, right? It's jam data correction. So you can do change of institution and course. Okay, so I want to talk about the reason why most people do change of course and change of institution. Change of course and change of institution is not something you can just dive into and start doing. It is not something you can just do like you can just start now and say, okay, I want to do change of course and change of institution. What actually leads to that change of course and what actually leads to that change of institution? Okay, first of all, we'll talk about change of institution. The reason why most people do change of institution is simply because some persons will not want to do proper findings before they choose their institution. During that registration time, people in a hurry. Everybody always want to be in a hurry. More especially people that have not registered before, the first timers will be like, oh my God, I want to go and register so that I will not, Sergeant will not close this, that, blah 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 blah. All of this stuff. So they will not want to make proper findings about their course and the institution they actually want to go. And some persons, they in other way around, in the other way around, the second reason is simply because you might choose to go to let's use Federal University of Technology Owerri as an example. You might choose to go to Federal University of Technology Owerri as an example, and along along the line, um, sorry for interrupting. Sorry for interrupting. I was doing this video and sorry for interrupting. I was doing this video and I forgot I did not add I did not switch I did not switch off my network. All right. So let's continue. So you might you might decide to choose a Federal University of Technology Owerri as your first choice. All right. Why at the end of the day your mother will now say, okay, Federal University of Technology Owerri is very far. Maybe you are not living in that catchment area, like you're just living very far from the place. It's okay. We don't think you cannot be spending almost all the time coming weekend and all of that. You understand? So they will consider changing institution to a closer by institution or a nearby institution. All right. So that's just it. Understand? So that's the most reasons why some persons do change of institution. Why some other ones is the second one is change of course. Okay. The other one, the third reason why they do change of institution is simply because you might choose this institution now without, just like I said in the previous one, in the number one, like you might choose the institution without proper findings, all right, without making proper research about the institution, the way the institution does their things and all of that. So at the end of the day, you notice that their school fees is high, right? So you notice that school fees is very high. So once you notice that their school fees is very high, there's no other option again, and you cannot meet or you cannot afford, there's no other option again than to go and change the institution. That's the only option. You just go and change institution. All right, so that's the second reason why so many persons change institution. Okay, so that's the third reason. Sorry, third reason why so many persons change institution. So now we are going to talk about it. Why most persons change course. So changing of course, what is common is just change of institution. Change of course is not that common. It's not that common. The reason why so many persons change courses is because of their Jamb score. Understand? When your Jamb score is not very high, and let's assume that you were going for medicine and surgery before, and at the end of the day, after your Jamb score, you scored 180. You know that you cannot meet up with medicine and surgery. There's no other way for you than to change your course. All right. So that's the only thing. The reason why most persons do change of course. All right. So that's the main point why some persons. So that's why it's not common. The only thing that is common is just change of institution. All right, that's the only commonly one, change of institution. So changing of course is not that common. So now we'll talk about how to do the change of institution, which is the main point why we are here today. How to do the change of institution. So how to do the change of institution? First and foremost, you will need to locate a nearby CBT in your area. If you don't know anyone in your area, you can check my video. I have a detailed video for the 36 states, the approved CBT centers. All right, you can check anyone. I captioned the state and all of them. So any state where you reside, you can check it out. Understand? So you check the approved CBT centers, then you can proceed to that place to do your change of course and change of institution. All right. So if you also want, if you don't want to fall a victim whereby if you're not really confident enough about Jamb, you're not really okay, like you are not really sure of yourself coming out successfully, what you just do, you just message me on WhatsApp. We're going to assist you pass. All right. If you are not too sure of your capability, you message me on WhatsApp. All right, we'll help you succeed. All right, that's what I've been doing for a couple of times now. All right, so we'll just help you succeed. All right, not only succeed, the reason why you need us is simply because after your Jamb, we'll also follow up for you, both updates, follow your admission to make sure that you gain admission. That's our assurance to you. Right, that's why you need us. So what I want to do is that I want to encourage you is that if you want to become a member of this channel, so if you want us to do all of this I have just mentioned for you, what you just to do is simply become a member of this channel. The only way you can become a member of this channel is to hit that subscribe button. You understand? Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you. All right, so you like the video, if you like this content, you like this video, let me know if there's anything you want me to do for you on the comment section. You let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer you. So if you need my number, you can check out any of my videos. You see my number, you message me on WhatsApp. All right, I'll be right there to answer all your questions. All right, so if you want to join our group, we have official group for 2024 Jamb/UTME aspirants. All right, so if you want to join our group, also you subscribe to our channel, then message me. I'll add you to our up-to-date group where you'll be getting information about Jamb school and all of that concerns your Jamb school and every other thing till you gain admission. All right, so on this where we'll be ending this class today. This will be ending this class. So until I see you in my next video again, don't forget I cherish you guys. All right, keep winning.